2024 has been an unforgettable year, packed with incredible music. To wrap it up in style, we're excited to share the 50 best songs of the year, handpicked by our amazing subscribers. Please.
Hello, 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 hello. Is it working? Is it working? Is it working? The Jabra input is working. But then, how do I make sure that Stop input. Now hello,
Hello, hello, hello,
microphone
hello,
array.
hello,
Hello,
hello, hello,
hello,
hello, hello,
hello,
hello, hello,
hello,
hello,
hello,
hello, hello, hello, hello, hello, hello, hello.
Now
Now
the
the
music
music
is
is
now
now
mic.
mic
It's
is
also
also
working.
working.
Now the
The
music
mic
now
now
it's also
the
starting to get
2020
started to get near the
international
enjoy
June
rest of
rest
the
of the
story.
story.
The
This
first
first
half
half
starting to get starting to get right. Hello, hello. Now this is start. Now this is start. What? I hear myself. Now, why is there a river? Why is there a river? Why is there a river? Okay. Why is there a river? Why was there a river? Why was there a river? Hello. Get to the stress. Now we are just talking. Then there is desktop on. Why? Hello. Now it should be fine. Okay, at last. Seems like it should be better now. But we never know. Hello. Now it should be fine. Okay, at last. Seems like it should be better now. But we never know. Let's suppose I have connected Bluetooth. Hello. Now it should be fine. And the Jabra input should be on. At last. Seems like it should be better now. But we never know. Let's suppose I have connected. Hello. Now it should be fine. And the Jabra input should be on. At last. Like it. Let's suppose I have connected. Now input should work fine. Now input should work fine. Now that it is, this is with both Jabra input and mic aux turned on. This is with mic completely made less and only Jabra input being there. Now, okay, but the Jabra input sounds a bit less. Now, if I check, it is sitting at the yellow spot. Let it hit minus 10. So if I am trying to hit 10 as a Jabra input, now it should actually be better, but will hit more Jabra. And next here, I should know that it's going to be in 20. Let it go. Oh, better. Next 15 should do good. Okay, now it is hitting at the -10 interval. And when I'm speaking, oh, it should not go like that. Very now it is at least, yeah. Oh, okay, it is not going in out of phase. Initial setup done. Now we'll check if this audio in mind. And I think it is. Where is the job? Put This should work properly, fine, right? Why is that? This now that should come fine. Okay. When the headset, when it is both headsets, what we are hearing here is both headsets. Something called as jab input is given necessary. But now, something like this, that isn't fine. When we're connected to the Bluetooth device, it is strengthened at that point. Jab. Now, already -5. Let's do the now that I've stopped, and when I stopped and I'm fixing it, is at least be should at least be she should be able to hear it properly. Now, if the Jabra input is there and I have stopped this, does it? This is with mic on and some hissing I can and some hissing that I can hear at the background. If I am supposing that the hissing should not be there, this is only with Jabra input. This is where both are there. Is it better? At least if there is a hissing along, at least in one of the places, the hissing should still come along. But the hissing should not be some hissing. The jab. Now the jab is there, and I have stopped this. Does it? This is with mic on and some hissing that I can hear at the background. If I am supposing that the hissing should not be there, this is only with Jabra. This is where both are there. Is it better? At least if there is a hissing along, at least in one of the cases, the hissing should still come along, but the hissing should not be same hissing like hissing should not be there. This is only with jabbering. This is where both are there. Does it? All the jabbering is there, and I have stopped this. Does it? This is a icon and some hissing that I can and some hissing that I can hear at the background. If I am supposing that the hissing should not be there, this is only with jabbering. This is where both are there. Is it better? This practicing just the hissing should stand. I think there is only one way we can. It is to change in here. Now that both are audio and audio output and mic are both Jabra headset, it should take the play. It should take up from the place and the input mic should be the Jabra input, and it should work fine. And if we want it to be more loud, that I see that it isn't hitting the -5, -10 mark. I would want this at least be now that it is at 0, but still it can go more. Is it better that it is going up to the -5? Okay, 5 dB. Not there. I think I can make it at 12. So now it is not going beyond 12, but at some point it is just hitting the -10, going as 0. I think there won't be much of me trying to have something as a desktop output that will be able, people would be wanting to listen what I'm listening, but then, okay, well, let me hear. Otherwise, it should always be good that I switch this the properties to the desktop one. At least it should be okay that I it is going too much. I think the capacity of it is too much right now. Otherwise, it should always be good that I switch this the properties to the desktop one. At least it should be okay that I it is going too much. I think the capacity of it is too much right now. Otherwise, it should always be that I switch this the properties to the desktop file. Now it is 6 also, it is going, oh, it's 6. It is 6, it also is going a bit, but well, so the 0 and 0 marks at the 0 and 0 marks it to be the ideal thing for when you're trying to at least at the desktop or whenever we are without the it's the 0 and 0 marks. 0 and 0 marks Is the ideal thing. And trying to spread at least the distorting wherever we are. Okay, so this we will keep it as zero whenever we want. Try to make this with optimum. One more Jabra output, audio output capture, Jabra output, and when it is all Jabra output and output, P1 Jabra output and input is there, and this now whenever we are speaking, it is only Jabra input and output. This I will make it a yeah, setup done.